Hello. Are you an employee or a manager where you're into many modules in the course of the day? I hope you're using my personal menu. It's been in the system for 10 or 15 years. But just in case you're not, let me just show you how this works. This can really streamline your procedures in the course of the day. Let's go into security system. I'm going to go into security maintenance. And let's just look up an employee. Now you can do this for each employee. So each employee would have his own personal menu. Or if you're on a manager and you say, look, I just need one for me because I'm in a lot of different modules doing a lot of different things in the course of the day. And I do not want to keep typing in my initials and password on a continuous basis. Let's hit create my personal menu. Okay, let's show you how this works. I can actually drag and drop. I want the whole inventory system. This is the whole inventory system. This is the whole receivables. This is the whole payables. Let's do the whole service. So let's just do these four right now. And I'm just say create my menu. Now you can create the menu and just test it out and see how it works. Okay, so this is the menu I created for me. And if I click on this, I get into the total inventory control menu. Obviously, I'm going to get into my receivables menu, my payables menu, and my service menu. Okay, but let's refine it even more. Let's go in here, create my personal menu, and suppose I don't need the whole inventory menu. You know, the things that I do is I want to get into the pot sale menu. I actually do orders. And, you know, I want to get right into the inventory maintenance program. Okay, so let's see what we got here now. So now, I want to do a pot sale. This is my pot sale menu. Notice it knows who I am. It will never ask me for my initials again. I want to just go in here. Pot sales. I want to go into orders. You know, I want to go into unit maintenance. So I'm getting, you know, wherever you want to go, you can go directly to that particular item. Now also, keep in mind, suppose I put this by accident. I didn't mean to do vendor maintenance. I meant to do inventory maintenance. All you have to do is click on it. If you click on the line, it deletes it and takes it out. So if you put something on and you want to remove it, you just click on it. Let's suppose I did make a mistake. I didn't mean to hit vendor maintenance. I meant to hit this. And, you know, there again, if I click this, I can say, you know what? I don't need the whole inventory maintenance. I want to be able to go right into the vendor maintenance. I want to be able to supersede pots. Maybe I do stock adjustments a lot. Maybe I do manual posting. Let's just do stock adjustments. All right, let's see what it looks like here. So now we're even refined even more. Obviously, I can click the whole main menu. I can click go right into an inventory record. I can go right in here and supersede a pot if I wish. I can go right here and do stock adjustments. So there again, if these are things that you do a lot in the course of the day, you don't need to be clicking around and clicking a bunch of options. Now, let's go in and do a couple more things. So let's say I'm going to go into service. And you know what? One of the things I do a lot is I have to begin a work order. And now all you got to do is drag and drop, and you can just let it go. When you let it go, it's going to put it at the bottom, as you see. I do estimates a lot, so I'll do my estimates. You know, if you want to run reports, well, I want to look at reports every now and then. Maybe I run this, and I go into sales. I don't need the whole sales journal system. These are the reports I run every day. I do the sales journal one. I do the cash credit one. And those are the important ones I do. So you can see how it goes on here. You can click and get refined as you want and create your own menu. Hey, I made marina management. I can bring the whole menu in. Or I can say, you know what, I want to do the task. I'm the guy that takes care of all my racks. There again, if I want to see what it looks like. And it's just going to keep making menus for this. Brings me right into my estimating system. This right here brings me into reports, and I can run any of my reports that I have. And it also allows me to, these are all reports also, print claims report, things like that. All my reports are here. Here's my sales journal. I get the whole sales journal, or I can go right in and running that exact report, and that's it. So there again, if I want the whole menu, so you can kind of see how it works. Let's see, is my marina management. There again, I can go into the exact screen that I want, or if I want to go and get it refined, this is where I'm handling all my racks and things like that. So now you get a good idea of how this works. And there again, if you want to get rid of something, you click on it, I don't need that, and it takes it out. And all you really need to do is click on what you want to do. I need to create deals, okay, or maybe I'm in the unit maintenance. I just drop it anywhere in here, and it's going to fill it into the next empty spot. And I'm doing this all for this initials right here. Now, once I create my menu, now I can just hit escape. And you can go in and change this anytime you want, obviously. And I'm going to hit escape again. And now when I come in the morning, instead of me going in and hitting inventory and hitting pots and going through that process, I will just go my personal menu. I would type in my initials and your password, and that's it. I will never have to type in my initials and password until tomorrow. So I can go in here, and I'm getting to inventory. I'm going right to receivables. There again, if I want to go right into just my pot sales screen, I go to my pot sales screen. If I want to go into inventory maintenance, I'm right here. If I want to just go in and run some reports, if I need to go into marina management. So I think you get a good idea on how this works. And I hope that if you're a manager or a user that's in a lot of modules, I hope you've been using this for many years. If not, you really should start using it. It'll make you more efficient. And keep in mind, every time you get into a module, let me go back to my personal menu here. And like I said, if you notice, it's always going to say at the bottom of the screen, it knows you're Bob Jones. And so now when I go in and I need to do a sale, it knows who I am, Bob Jones. Okay, you have a great day. If you have any questions at all, just give us a call. One of the things we highly recommend, especially if you're an older customer, is give us a call and just do a refresher. There are so many new things that we've added to the software that you're probably not aware of, and you're wasting a lot of time. For maybe a half an hour of your day, we may be able to save you hours every single of your day, every single minute of your day. Okay, you have a great day.